Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Today I will be making chicken Hakka noodles. I will be showing you how to make that perfect restaurant quality chow mein in a step-by-step way. So let's get started. Let's start by first marinating the chicken. I have taken about half a pound of boneless chicken thighs. I prefer using chicken thighs as they turn out to be juicy, but you can definitely use breast pieces. Even out the piece first, then cut into very thin strips. Next, marinate the chicken by adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda will make the chicken tender. Mix everything very well and let it marinate while we do our other prep work. Let's cut our vegetables. My green bell pepper is huge, so I will be using only half of it. Cut it into thin strips just like you did your chicken. Next, I have taken 3 green onions. Cut these into long pieces as well. Take a medium-sized onion and separate out the leaves. So here are all my vegetables ready to dive into the pan. Next comes the aromatics. Take about an inch of ginger, peel it and chop it finely. Chop finely about 4 to 5 garlic cloves. I have used 1 green chili. I took out the inner rib as that is the part which carries all the heat. Green chili is totally optional. So here are all the chopped aromatics that will perfume my oil. Okay, so now let's make a sauce. In a bowl, add about 3 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. If you do not have dark soy sauce, then just add another tablespoon of regular soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to get that caramelization of the sauce. Mix everything very well, and here our sauce is ready. In the meantime, I let a big pot of water come to a boil. Then I added 1 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of oil, and added the noodles. Loosen up the noodles. Always boil your noodles in a large pot as that prevents them from sticking to each other. Do not wait till they turn totally soft as we will be further cooking the noodles in the sauce. Cook them to the point when they are still a bit chewy, so taste them from time to time. My noodles took about 5 minutes to reach that stage. Then drain your noodles and wash them with tap water to get rid of that excess starch. As you can see, all the strands of noodles are separate and none of them are sticking to each other. My wok is on high heat and is screaming hot now. I added 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the marinated chicken. Spread them out in a single layer and leave it in this way for about a minute. After that, fry the chicken for about 4 minutes till it turns from pink to white. Add a pinch of salt. Then add about 4 tablespoons of water and immediately cover the pan. Lower the heat to medium-low and let it sit covered for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the chicken has turned tender. Do not overcook your chicken, then they will turn rubbery. This is why you need to cut your chicken very thin so that they get cooked very fast. My chicken is done, so I will take them out in a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of oil on high heat. Now for this recipe, do not be too skimpy on adding oil as that will lead to a dry chicken chow mein and that won't be appetizing. Once the oil gets hot, now everything will go very fast. First comes the aromatics. Add the chopped ginger, garlic, green chili Fry for a few seconds. Then add the onions, green bell peppers, the white parts of the green onions. Add a pinch of salt. I scraped out all those brown bits as that is all flavor from the chicken. Then add the green parts of the green onions. Next add the fried chicken. Now comes the sauce. Let it bubble up. Then add the noodles. Now with the help of 2 spoons, mix everything so that each strand of noodle gets coated with that sauce. As you can see, there is no more sauce left in the pan. The noodles have absorbed it all. At the end, drizzle some sesame seed oil to get that nutty flavor, but this is totally optional. Our restaurant style chicken chow mein is all ready to be served. Try this recipe and please send me your feedback in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.